If your iPhone shows iPhone lock to owner after a reset, you need to use your Apple ID and password to activate it. But if you've forgotten your Apple ID password, it will be stuck on the iPhone lock to owner screen. How to take off activation lock? This video will show the solution to this problem. Let's get started. Method 1. Remove activation lock with lock screen passcode. If you have the iPhone passcode, you can bypass the activation lock with it. Click Unlock with passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode to remove activation lock. But if you forget it, you can use the next method. Take off iPhone activation lock without passcode. In this method, I will use Tenorshare for You key to remove the iPhone lock to owner screen. The process is simple and doesn't require a USB drive. You can find the link to For You key in the description below the video. First, connect your iPhone to the computer. Launch For You key and select Remove iCloud Activation Lock. You need to click Start, and For You key will put your device into recovery mode. Now, follow the software prompts to put your iPhone into DFU mode. Click Start, then quickly hold the volume down and side power button. Release the side power button, and keep holding the volume down button. Once the iPhone is in DFU mode, it will start jailbreaking your device. Wait for the jailbreak to complete, then click Start. Follow the instructions to put your iPhone into DFU mode again. Next, the iCloud activation lock on your iPhone will be removed. This process is quick, and once your iPhone restarts, it means the iPhone is activated. Here are some important notes you need to know. Then you can proceed with the iPhone setup. During the setup process, the iPhone lock to owner screen will not appear. Now your iPhone can be used normally. You can then sign into your new Apple ID in the App Store to download the app. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope my video can help you. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.